Hi, this is my demo of my current project. I have treated the Android project with the PET, like personal expense tracker. Now you can see the main activity there, where there is expense tracker theme inside the main activity, and we need to go to build Gradle to sync dependencies. We need to add dependency and sync it. There's a where we have to install the dependencies. Then coming to main activity, it has expense tracker, as I told you, expense tracker team, and this main class activity. And if you want to see the app output of your running app and connected to emulator better, I would suggest Pixel API 34. It's actually good. In my laptop I couldn't run with emulator, and since I didn't have my Android device, I went to the college and ran the app, and I have uploaded another video of my app running. Yeah. Then there is Techno CNO as well. Anything, but I would suggest the Pixel API 34 here. Then we need to run it. Once we have connected with the device, we need to run in the main activity. Then you can see expense tracker application, where you have the tracker of the thing. This is where we Firebase initialization will take place. So this is expense tracker application, and in UI you can see the screen and theme. You can see the color expense tracker theme and theme references. Where this the code of theme references. Then you can see the color kit. You can change the color here, and you have the theme view model system light and dark. In settings you can change it with a system default or light or dark, like that. And the type, which type of text style, text, everything you can see in this code. And authentication will be of login screen and the register screen. Expense, we have add expense screen, edit expense screen, expense detail screen, and expense list screen. We have this filter dialog kit. You can see the code here. It filters the expenses whatever we added. So this the regarding of it. And we have, you can see later, the location picker kit as well. You need to since we have that location thing as well, we can select the which place your expense is being done or is being spent. So this is the main thing of the location picker, where the place where you spend. And now you can see Android manifest file, where we need to add the API to access the Google. Then coming, we have a pie chart, where the analysis of your expenditure, it shows like in which this thing you have spent a lot, like that. Then analytics screen, as I told you, it will analyze the expenses of the things which we have actually added to the database. You can also see the dashboard screen. this like the dashboard screen where we can add expenses, and you can go for filter expense icon, and you can go for settings like that. That is basically to add the thing. We have the dashboard to view the expenses, to add it like that. This is the whole code. Then we have screen where login, register, dashboard, everything can be used. Settings screen, as I said you, the settings would be for appearance of the things like light, dark, something like that. Settings screen. Util date, we need to add the date as well, which date we are spending for that. Then we can see the views or the auth view model. This the auth view model thing. And we have expense view model as well. The repository we use is expense repository, where we can add expenses, delete expense, or like we can filter it, we can edit, basically editing. Then coming to repository as well, repository, Firebase authentication basically. Then category and expense repository. Then we have app module, expense data, and category data, everything. Next, coming to data, we have app database, entities like categories, color, name, icon, like that. Category, expense, and expense also. Now category, in this also we can see we can update category, delete category, like that. Basically how we had for groceries, food, traveling, like that. Then that is the thing. If it's like, if you want to add for food, you can add it as a food category, like that. And this is Google service JSON. And we have build Gradle. So this basically about the app coding. Thank you.